Alright, this started probably 15-20 days ago when I got my hands on this Lenovo M900 10FG. It's a small form factor. The issue is there is a slot for the wireless card, the E card, which is an M.2 slot, but as you will see once I remove the graphics card, if I can focus, probably take this off. So there is an M.2 slot where you can fit in the E card without any problem. I in fact already have purchased one, it's on the way. But the M.2 standoff screw or the standoff is completely missing, and that gave me a lot of frustration. I looked online, I looked everywhere, and the best solution that you probably will get is make-do ASUS, and I don't think that's a good solution because you need to screw something below your motherboard. You can probably find something on AliExpress where you get the same solution, slightly different combinations, but nothing like what you see here. This one, this is how it's originally meant to be. Now that's for some other slot, which some other height of the PCIe, if I can read that right. It's for H2. So anyway, that's something of no use to me. I'm going to zoom on to that one. Yeah, I think it's in focus right now. So that's something which is supposed to be here. Now, no matter how much you search, you will not find this on the web, any local store, any store in any country. I've checked everywhere, including the major online retailers. Even Mouser did not have anything. So that's pretty much what I could find. I saw plenty of videos and online tutorials, a lot of content, but nothing talks about how the original parts are soldered on to the motherboard, and if you can purchase new ones, how you can fit them on. So you can't purchase these. These are basically from the manufacturer. You'd probably find something similar on every motherboard. I mean, the new generation motherboards where they're soldered onto the motherboard. There's nothing that is screwed on to the motherboard. So after a long search, I finally decided to take a soldering iron and take this off and place it here. Now, taking a soldering iron to the motherboard is the last thing that you want to do unless you are an expert. I would recommend caution, even though I'm not calling myself an expert or expert of an extreme kind, but I know what I'm doing, so please be careful. So I'm going to cut to the point where I have the motherboard out, so you can take a look at how it's set up. Everything is on. I have to remove the entire motherboard. If I can quickly pan out. I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, I got the motherboard unscrewed. I did a bit of cleaning. It's shining like brand new. In fact, it's a very new system, so no wonder it's shining. The M.2 slot is here, and we have the standoff completely missing. So I wanted to use this one. This one we will solder off and place it here. That's the plan. Let me zoom on to the area a little bit more. Yeah, so that's the screw that I want. That's the M.2 standoff which I need to remove. So the next part is going to be soldering that off. Alright, I have a hot soldering iron in my hand, so I'm going to be very quick, and I may go to focus. I would not be focusing on the motherboard, on the camera right now. So take a look at this part which we can solder off. So I'm going to flip the motherboard, and as you can see, it's in the corner. I'm going to make sure that's the one again. Yep. So it's very easy to do, but it's your motherboard. It's a very sophisticated part, so please make sure you don't touch anything else. And if you're not sure about it, please never try this on any motherboard. Here we go. There you go, it's done. So the part is out, and if I'm smart enough, I know I shouldn't be touching that, but probably I'm not. Oops, it's damn hot, so let me make it cool. Alright, I'm going to find how I can focus on this one. Alright, so that's the part. I got it out, and this is the part where you have the screw go in, and this is the other part is where it goes in the motherboard. So the idea is to have it soldered onto here. Okay, it fell exactly where I wanted. There you go. So that's how it should be. It's a very easy solder if you know what you're doing, but you got to be careful. So next step is to solder this in. Alright, I had to do it off camera. I couldn't multitask with a camera, a hot soldering iron, and a motherboard, so I'm sure you'll understand. I got the standoff soldered on, the low height standoff beside my M.2 port, and it's very simple. You hold the hot soldering iron on top of this small aluminium standoff, and it just melts the solder which is already there on the motherboard. There's a very thin layer of solder. It's like a small circle, and once you apply heat on it, it sticks onto the standoff. So that's the best solution that I could think of. I am very, very happy that I do not need to screw something on to the motherboard. In fact, if any of you are watching this, you'll probably have a solution on your motherboard where, as you can see, there are some other screws, standoffs that I would not be using, and this is for a different height. So you might be having the one that you're looking for on your motherboard, and you might just want to use some expert help to place it onto a location where you want. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.